Your Notion workspace is where data goes to die. In static rows. In forgotten tables. You search for a project. You find fragments. Nothing connects. You cross-reference manually. You miss the hidden dependencies. You miss the relationships that actually matter. There are thousands of notes in there, but they are all isolated. Every page is an island. No edges. No graph. No intelligence. Standard Notion search finds words. It does not find meaning. It cannot tell you which projects share the same bottleneck resource. It cannot map which decisions made in Q1 are quietly breaking your Q3 roadmap right now. What if you could turn those fragmented pages into a living neural network? A force-directed graph where every node is a page, every edge is a relationship, and Claude Desktop reasons over the entire structure in real time. That is exactly what we are building today. Claude Desktop, notion-mcp, Graphify, a unified intelligent brain from your scattered workspace. The connection is simpler than you think. 3 tools, under 10 minutes. Step 1. Install Claude Desktop from claude.ai/desktop. It is free, available on Mac and Windows. Step 2. Edit your MCP config file. On Mac, it lives at library/application support/claude_desktop_config.json. On Windows, find it at appdata/roaming/claude. Step 3. Add the notion-mcp-server block to that config. The command is npx-y at notion/notion-mcp-server. Set your notion_token environment variable from your Notion integration page. Step 4. Restart Claude Desktop. Open the connector menu. Your Notion workspace tools are live inside Claude. Create page. Search pages. Read database. All from a single natural language prompt. No more manual exports. No more stale uploads. Every Notion page is now a dynamic interactive node. Step 5. Add Graphify on top. Install with pip install Graphify. That is too wise. Run Graphify export from your project directory. Graphify reads your code, your docs, your meeting notes. It builds a queryable knowledge graph of your entire workspace in seconds. Here is where it gets extraordinary. Graphify turns your relational Notion data into a navigable graph.html file. Open it in any browser. You see a living force-directed graph. Glowing nodes. Pulsing edges. Your knowledge, visualized as a neural network. Click any node to expand it. Filter by page type. Search by keyword. Claude can now see the full context between distant project pages that you never connected manually. Context a flat search would never surface. Ask Claude, which pages have the most inbound dependencies? It maps your single points of failure instantly. Ask, find resource overlaps between Q3 roadmap and engineering OKRs. It surfaces the conflicts you have been quietly arguing about for weeks. Ask, surface orphan pages no other page references. Your forgotten knowledge, reclaimed. Ask, which decisions made last quarter are blocking the most current initiatives? It traces the causal chain for you. Compare that to a standard LLM. A standard LLM gives you a one-shot summary. It guesses at structure. It hallucinates connections because it has no real graph to reason over. Graphify augmented Claude reasons over the full topology. Real structure. Real dependencies. No hallucinated connections. The graph never lies. This is more than a productivity tool. It becomes your cognitive operating system. A personal or team-wide knowledge brain that persists across every Claude session. On device only. Nothing leaves your machine. No rebuilds. No cloud lock-in. Every time you run Graphify export, the graph updates automatically. Your knowledge stays alive. Graphify has crossed 62,000 GitHub stars. Y Combinator S26 backed. Over 1.1 million downloads worldwide. This is not a niche experiment. This is how serious builders are augmenting their memory. The setup takes under 10 minutes. The payoff compounds every single day. Star the Graphify repo at github.com/safashamsi/graphify. Star the Notion MCP server at github.com/makeNotion/notion-mcp-server. Install Claude Desktop from claude.ai/desktop. The free PDF setup guide is linked in the description below. It covers every config step, every command. Hit subscribe and follow for more agent stack tutorials like this. Drop a comment below with what you are connecting to Graphify first, your codebase, your Notion workspace, or both. See you on the next one at GPTAIclips.